Dear students, today topic is roots of a complex numbers. So we'll discuss the that is roots to find of a complex numbers. Students, we know that cos theta plus iota sin theta can be written in the form cos bracket 2m pi plus theta plus iota sin 2m pi plus theta, where m is an integer. Why this 2m pi plus theta, both cos and sin we can write? Because cos theta and sin theta are a periodic function with periodicity 2 pi. After 2 pi of a periodicity, the value cos theta and sin theta repeats. Therefore, this can be written like this: cos theta plus iota sin theta is equal to cos 2m pi plus theta plus iota sin 2m pi plus theta, and m is an integer. Then taking power nth, that is cos theta plus 1 by sin theta whole power 1 by n, nth root. तो उभय साइड रे आम से nth रूट लिखा 1 by n cos ब्रैकेट 2m pi plus theta plus iota sin 2m pi plus theta whole bracket power 1 by n. By using De Moivre's theorem, this can be written as cos 2m pi plus theta by n plus iota sin 2m pi plus theta by n. So now we will find the values of this expression putting m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. Students, why we will not take m is equal to n plus 1 now? That part will be discussed later on. Now we will check the value of this expression at the point 0 when m becomes 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. So that is when we substitute m is equal to 0 in the previous expression. So students, check it. When m is equal to 0, the right hand side cos 2m जगह 0 substitute कर 0 हो गला. So cos theta by n plus iota sin theta by n. Got it? Then when m is equal to 1, the result becomes substituting m is equal to 1. So 2m जगह 1 put कर 2 pi plus theta by n plus iota sin 2 pi plus theta by n. When m is equal to 2, we will find cos 4 pi plus theta by n plus iota sin 4 pi theta by n, and so on. When m is equal to 3, 4, 5, you may write further 3 or 2, 3 values more. Definitely you will get expression like this. So now when we substitute m is equal to n minus 1, the expression becomes cos 2 n जगह n minus 1 substitute कर students plus theta divided by n plus iota sin 2 n minus 1 bracket plus theta divided by n. This is just you write there. What is when you put just m is equal to n minus 1, this is the expression. Now students, that is I said that when m is equal to, we are substituting the value, we are taking the value m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1, and I told that m is equal to n plus 1, n plus 2. Why we have not taken in this line? That part now we are taking. When m is equal to n, what will the value? When m is equal to n, when we substitute at the value m is equal to n, we got the expression cos bracket 2n pi plus theta by n iota sin 2n pi plus theta by n. So what we have? N get cancelled, we get cos 2 pi plus theta by n iota sin 2 pi plus theta by n, and we know that cos 2 pi plus theta by n is equal to cos theta by n plus iota sin theta by n, which is equal to m is equal to 0. Students, you check. When m is equal to 0, the value is cos theta by n plus iota sin theta by n. It is written there. In the same manner, when we substitute m is equal to n, again we are getting cos theta by n plus iota sin theta by n. What does it say, or what we got from this expression or from this discussion is the values of cos theta plus iota sin theta 1 by n. For m is equal to n, the next value is n plus 1. the next value is n plus 2. That means as we increase the value of m beyond n or beyond n minus 1, what we found are the more repetition of the first n values as obtained above. ताने एन एम भैल्यू आम एन पर बढ़ई बढ़ई चलिए पुणी आम रिपिटेसन पाइबा जमती व्वेन आई टुक एम इज इक्वल टू एन आम पाइले कस दैट इज एम इज इक्वल टू 0 भैल्यू से रिपिटेसन है नेक्स्ट एन प्लस 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले नेचुरली से एम इज इक्वल 1 से रिपिटेसन हम स्टूडेंट्स नाउ विल टेक वन एग्जांपल सॉल्व x power 4 plus iota is equal to 0. So now it is given that x power 4 plus iota is equal to 0 implies that x power 4 is equal to minus iota. So minus iota can be written in cos pi by 2 minus iota sin pi by 2. This can be written in periodic form x power 4. This is we know that cos 2m pi plus pi by 2 minus iota sin 2m plus pi by 2. So dear students, this expression you always remember. এইটা হচ্ছে জেনারেল এক্সপ্রেশন এই জেনারেল এক্সপ্রেশনটাকে আমি বারবার ইউজ করিবা সো হোয়াট উই ফাইন্ড দ্যাট ইজ cos pi by 2 minus iota sin pi by 2 after that we written here x power 4 is equal to cos 2m pi plus pi by 2 minus iota sin 2m pi plus pi by 2 then taking 1 by 4th power on both side so it becomes x right hand side becomes power 1 by 4. Dear students, only what I did here, taking 1 by 4th power, that is 4th power, 1 by 4, the power of the expression. So the right hand side is now, we have to solve the right hand side, left hand side we got it is x. The expression becomes cos, taking LCM, that is 4m pi plus pi divided by 2 minus iota sin 4m pi plus pi divided by 2. Now using De Moivre's theorem, 1 by 4 to multiply is 0. So we got cos 4m pi plus pi divided by 2 into 1 by 4 and in the right hand sin part भी 1 by 4 कर देगा. The result becomes cos 4m pi plus pi divided by 8 minus iota sin 4m pi plus pi divided by 8. So after this expression, students, we will check the value m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 because we are taking 4th power 1 by 4th power. So therefore up to 3 we have to check. So m is equal to 0 when we substitute here, so we got it is cos pi by 2 minus iota sin pi by 2. Dear students, at m you put 0, substitute 0, you will get this exact result. When m is equal to 1, we find cos 5 pi by 8 minus iota sin 5 pi by 8. When m is equal to 2, x3 becomes cos 9 pi by 8 minus iota sin 9 pi by 2. Students, just substitute the value of m in this expression. m ର value ଏଇ expression ରେ ହିଁ substitute କରିବ. This is our x. तो ଏଇ expression ରେ substitute କରିବ when m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and you will find your x1, x2, x3 and x4. Note students, why we have not taken 4, 5 and other values. When you take m is equal to 4, the value will be repeated. Check it is m is equal to 4. When we take m is equal to 4, it becomes x5. So cos 17 pi by 8 minus iota 17 pi by 8. So 17 pi by 8, that is can be written as 2 pi plus pi by 8 minus iota sin 2 pi plus pi by 8. So we got cos, then 2 pi plus pi by 8 can be written as cos pi by 8 minus sin pi by 8, which is equal to the value of x1. That means ଯେତିକି power 1 by 4th power means you will take up to 0, 1, 2, 3. The rest value 4, 5, 6, when you will substitute, you will get the repetition of these values. Dear students, today is this much. In the next video, I will discuss more examples, more problems of roots of complex numbers. You practice it. If you have any doubts, ask through comment box. Then bye bye. Jai Hind.